Hey everybody, Earl here, MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois, mgmclassiccars.com. Grab some popcorn. I've got a real treat for you. This is a 1948 frame off, body off completion. Took 7 years, finished in 2021. Completely done from nut to bolt, powered by a Corvette 350 engine with 202 heads, a 350 automatic transmission, has a cam, intake, Mustang front end 2 suspension with disc brakes, custom rear suspension, Firebird rear end, jet coated headers, Edelbrock intake with a nice carb setup. This car has power steering, power disc brakes, oversized radiator. The classic gauges and speedometer are in there. Added was vintage air conditioning. Just amazing stuff. It was a custom two-tone color. Painted, just Chevy logos the whole way. 6-way power seats with lumbar support. Yes, it has seat belts. Fold-down rear jump seat, which I'll show you. A Pioneer sound system. Subwoofer. Clear-coated red with a black paint, shaved door handles with remote openers, huge white wall vintage tires, beautiful with the hubcaps, Flowmaster exhaust. Just goes on and on. Let's get up and close. The car has 3,700 miles since it's been done. I love it. Look at that face. All the chrome is great. Everything works the way it should. This engine was gone through head to toe. Basically, 3,700 miles. Vintage air conditioning, big old radiator. Look how clean this thing is. Nice upgraded headers. Sounds and drives great. We're gonna take it for a little ride so y'all see. Power steering, power brakes. Spend a little bit more time in there. Amazing. All right, hang on, I gotta put this down. Okay. Now look at that face. Don't see many of these. If you have a business, it'd be a great advertising piece. Put your stuff on there, or a magnet putter. All your vents, 3100 panel truck. Those are all air vents. Wipers are all working. Side mirrors, both sides. Running boards. I thought everything. Somebody spent a lot of money building this beauty. Look at how nice that is. Chrome bumpers in great shape. I found a couple flaws in the paint since it's been driven a little bit. Where were they now? Hang on. Hi, everybody. There was one here. Maybe it could be buffed out if you're a good buffer. Running boards, door poppers. There's one more spot. Little tiny scratch here. But sport mirrors, all your moldings, all your weather strippings, everything is documented. Look at this. It's got a custom car cover. Let me step back. Nicely done interior. That seat folds down. Cup holders with a big woofer and amp. It's got everything in there. Its whole story. Great stuff. Assembly, everything. Good stuff to have. This is real good stuff. It's embossed. See it? The Chevy signs in there. Very cool. Look at the headliner. It's here to say. This is one cool truck. It's definitely close to one of a kind. See, all your moldings are good. Couple tiny flaws in the paint. It's a big car, so it drives around a lot, but it doesn't Doesn't matter. It's a prize winner to me. All right, let's see something here. Door poppers, they're also on the remote. Here's your power seats. Look at how nice this interior is. No rust to be found anywhere. Nice custom handles. All your weather stripping. Inside the dash. Oh wow, this thing is laying down. Oh, I forgot to grab the thing. Now we're gonna have to do it one way or another. So, radio, vintage air conditioning. How nice this dash is. Uh-oh. Let's put it in gear. Uh-oh, maybe I gotta do the alarm. Sorry, that was my fault. I had the wrong key. 3,788 miles. Tilt steering wheel. Look at that. Let's tilt that down a little bit. Everything, power seats are working great. Check the air. Air kicks on. Keep it cold. All your glass is great. Sounds nice. Handles great. Brakes are good. What a pleasure to drive. Oh, it's like driving a boat. Goes through the gears great. Transmission's fine. Air conditioning's blowing cold. No funky noises. Let's see how she goes down the street. Very nice. This is a very nice cruising 3100 1948 panel truck. This is an enjoyable car. I'm going to have over 100 photos on my website, and the video will be there as well. Got a little noise when you're cranking it all the way, but it's a big car, so I understand that. Let's see if I'm safe. No, I got someone behind me. I'll check the fluids on the parent steering, but it seems fine. Okay. Yeah, no, it was just I oversteered too much. Oh yeah, goes down the road great. This is a nice driving truck. Real nice. Located in Addison, Illinois, 20 minutes from O'Hare Airport. MGMClassicCars.com with over 170 vehicles in our 45,000 square foot warehouse with service. Hours are 9 to 5 Monday through Friday, Saturday from 10 to 2. All by appointment only, so grab a pen. I'll give you my number. We have special financing with good credit up to 180 months with only 10% down. Shipping all over the United States, bonded and insured to your front door. If you have any questions on this particular car or any of my cars in my inventory, please call me. If you need quotes on shipping, just text me 773-600. There's our shop. That's 773-600-0919. Again, that's 773-600-0919. Like us on Facebook. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. This is a great, great vehicle. A lot of fun, folks. And like I said, that air is blowing cold. So wherever you are, you'll have nice and cold air. It's a real nice truck. Thanks for spending a little time with me on this one. 1948 3100 panel truck. Amazing. Have a nice day. MGMClassicCars.com.